Akroma about the POG political media so na nase sonko and many mema said it down or can POG home and my bo edibra Ghana political arbiter then so your boabuano at the highway so okay home and my bo edibra na measure say the dying before say bo edibra and the measure so subscribe to POG Media and the book as well over your subscription na wa hit notification bell no wa share no for so ensa so etimi aka no zo no mate de echo na the ball e rain say man de any edge e wiem sen ya no so echo crash ya nkomo na Ghana for di e wo highway no so na nkomo amafo be di eye nkoma some NPP supporters bi na say NPP fans bi akotena social media so just almost so instead of condemn yes issue and I say ka Ghana on just na ya money mpanyinfo a nso efiri mu ewo bi mhyen no so konya akwanhia no na ka me akoye say almost what take the NPP side a almost blame leaders bi a mu threats ahodo akoso de bi kwa akọ de mayi ajonjoma ni Mahama ene ne hokani Lordina Mahama a just say IGP wonu enso ejina sa threat yi so esuma the boys moko fa Akuffo na we na NPP for national omo communicators no and other members akotena some platform so akọ share on adwin say you John Dramani Mahama and share IGP say on withdraw and say woni sa Akuffo in free apan kukum na we na NDC for ni bi count them say if you then na be cast as me say mo de sa say mi ba ebeto o man panyin nim dia na ka me akoye say sa accident and say wiem je no so crash no mo so mo nim ho bia che say eno so anya sem ke to ma say rejebre na ya po e ras and say do that
say ye na be kan okrepa mampani a oye tolerant pa eye mampani John Dramani Mahama munyina mo ya we ensem be na yan kan fa Mahama ho ateni be na ye di Mahama. There's not even a point in time mampani Mahama no. Na ne sa behavior no Ghana fo binum afa ne se mampani Mahama ye weak empo ama ene ebinom enam social media say NDC a weak party. All because they have chosen to be tolerant and also not to just follow anything at all. Munti na muntie miye. Minimu se sa boy ya chini se fante hwan e ka mampani Mahama nko anke enche no. Believe you me e ka mampani Mahama nko kama me Lordina Akrama chese o munya no we oyakwada onim ne o ka munya no. Now it's said the nation bigger. Che mampani Mahama na mampani Mahama empese obe interferenti because e was say you build your mind in such a way say mampani wo ho mampani ni ho the systems must work. And until I make a check with a subway ya chini. Mampani Mahama enim hoshe, mra, system, and a juma. Muntira mutieni. So it baffles me to see the NPP coming out to defend. One say, let me chip this in. Over the years, almost na social media trying so hard to convince Ghana for say NDC ena attack Kevin Taylor Kevin Taylor ne jumadi awodi na over the years no jandamfoi at na social media a painty picture bi atu Ghana for adwemu say NDC aban empo ebi se mampani Mahama ena attack Kevin Taylor na so Kevin Taylor enya asem mehu se NDC ni pani bi eba bontin defending Kevin Taylor. Kevin Taylor had to pass through the law. And a law no vindicating no. Senka Kevin Taylor ekwajina court no udifwa the law would have taken hold of him. Anka NDC enyinem ema Kevin Taylor. I can say this for a fact. Muntida mutieni. Now someone says this small boy calling himself Fante Hwan on say ye chain no. And the NPP empanifo nyina eti social media defending no. Na say sa boy no ne jumadi a wodi edi adanse say Bawumia nim hu bi NPP empanifo na eta na chi because anye sa Edi na NPP empanifo suddenly enya platform wa ye defend the boy no. Inti na se omo a eti social media threaten Mahama, ibeku Mahama, ebese nyina no Bawumia nim hu bi NPP empanifo na etasa afo na chi. But you can't say the same for us. Me nya asema ma nhwe ya apart from mo amutie me. Ebia mo betina social media there be empany free mind in here apart from mo. I can say this NDC high ranking penny bia and sorry and can say free him. Ibinsi. But you see near ekoso. Miracles abuaje ene Justin Kodua edin sembi atodwa. Concerning near SC sa fanti hwan na ya che no no. Ene you know omo na SC say Arréstéd bia ekoso a enye mra kwan so. Yenti omo the first person you can say miracles abuaje na say yetie no wi a yakotie sem so a Justin Kodua so aka na I'll give you my briefing.
The CID, the national security, listen, you're not doing the government any good. You're not doing the government any good. Release fancy comedy, release PAY, release say Obama Pokwase. Listen, if for whatever reason you feel that they've done something that is problematic, invite them, charge them, present them before courts, let the laws deal with them. But have you seen the pictures of Obama's room? They broke the door, like the door is broken, and they forcibly entered the room and basically abducted the guy. You understand? I mean, this is not democracy.
Yeah.
You understand? And this is even dangerous for all of us.
Arrest them, charge them. Miracles can. The referee say, sa arrest any charge in nano here from picking the person, interrogating the person to understand. Enyina so ntia nipa no ede yes ade na ye na so kwasia we abetena se kire say ye free omo ye nyai omo obi abetena social media atreating man pani Mahama life anya hwe krampo no so betena social media e kire say meku man pani Mahama etwa de yiri ti ahyeboto mu a wadi man pani Mahama tem wadi nagusuan nyina tem menua hwe ye nye amanosem seyo. You people under your watch. Omo amochechechi omo. Empo obi bia ni kwa otena social media kire se beku Akuffo ado. Omo amoche won. Captain Smart moni ade. Ni ana omo ya ni se. Enioma na ekoso aban no mu ana omo ani enye ho ena na ye ka. Ralph munyina ebi ne galamsey ho da moni ade na mochi nkofo igu. Esa se NDC ebum ranti. NDC ansori anka say and dey tina galam say fo no machi omo ena munya omo ena say ni NDC ampre asemu a NDC kan dey say in se nka mo chi san nkofo we then why don't you fight galam say because the enti nkofo ikasa because of galam say. So the problem is there. Why do you jump the problem and go for those who are advocating for the problem to be solved? These were the words of the NDC. Obia betina media mu enkwadanke tuabi abetina media mu insulting the presidency, threatening the life of a sitting president, the commander-in-chief of the Ghana Armed Forces. Nasene yensa kankofu ya all you can say ne say yenyai omo na ebinom na media mu ede bone no omo aye enfan kosia this is all you can say yenyai omo enyemoa na se modwen ye mu say sa nyema wei e na Ghana fo begina so ede ato abetia NDC a mo botam muntie ni ye eya ho say mo ba bonten ka ensem bi say ya go through the comments eno ba kirew mo nsem na mo ka ye de wa Ghana fo esi afa no. Yeah, monkey kind comments. It's very important. We are social media here. Reading comments no wow. Say oh chia, you know. Oh yeah, the pansor, you know. And yeah, monkey comments. Miracles, yen kasasa. You don't talk like that. These people said openly, said, when you meeting, they were aware of the meeting. When I'm plotting here, Emma chopper no say. You haven't passed the comments. As same way, I ne moya freedom no. Uncle said the whole party NPP. Mo babon tempo press conference. Nanka mo distant mo from Sansem na enkwade kan yi because enkwade they brought out a wild allegation against you, the NPP. Chere say yen ye planning and penny planning na ye kahubi. Say Mahama was the target and I ma play no be form. As a party, mumma bonting and distant him, but rather you are coming out to defend Ghana and Pennyphone Ghana Mran in Saaka Sanko for now a cancer asem no empo a cancer asem no tomuso. There's a Nyansani Bia dream, Nyansani Bia Betias yes, and no cresse. Chopper na a koshiase, my culture must say NPP Nimhubi. There is a possibility. Because if say Sanko that way, I can say same way. Now say all you can do is to defend them with their and you na minua anokwa ampa if baby free NPP nimhubi etiere ye promo I wasn't your question yenti atopa no kwhwe ase is supposed to be you the NPP ye mu maisa you are rather trying to incur the anger of the people. Yeah, when you come out and talk like this, understand the fact is say those who are going to be against your foolish talk are about 65% of the people. Because in the Mampeni Mahama, the rating echo higher than time one you told about last year. Mampeni Mahama is saying 57 plus and then a 65%. T. Oh, yenye amano say. After yentie just inkodia. Before that, you know.
Like Kijumedi, yeah, I share so be like Kijumedi. That's all subscribe to a POG political media as well. Any day any will go as well. Drop a subscription now. Oh, we see a lot about the Ghana authentic political updates at POG Media as well. And now also submit me account now at the echo any day power by Ghana political space. Now it's a matter to say. Yeah, free mind and so Eddie better to carry on. Say, Obejina, a sank of instead some bed condemning in some almost Regina, a social media so kind and as a moody mechi, as a Cassie, and friend free a year. Banku kumana kamia kwa yese mona mo chese mo pushi omo anase mona mo backbone mo so mo motivate omo begina yesa podium no so and so it me sa ensema ensem fata and a traitor and also mo de begu highway no so de koma you are Dramani Mahama any other members of the NDC just and also anyasem keto America say beto also na yeti issue no ye
Enka will say so abruchiri. Na so pese umaniska eko Ghana nko ade a system wo na say application chairman asan say won use ebebu abu lemfi referral code a ubehia e wo say we use is very important. If you fail to use the referral code, lemfi will never know say it's through my referral that you are using lemfi. Timoya try as much as possible to key in referral code Fíght. I'll leave a link in the comments and description of this video, and also no link to obetimi afaso e download the lemfi no in case so you so link no download the there and you will hear referral code be the only time we will hear code on say if you go just direct to Play Store or Apple Store to download that and I will be here referral code but who you so me link the there we here referral code be because the link itself is coded. Thank you so much. And you know, nia momrana yentie Justin Koduan so semua ono so aka na yenda vidiba.
Ye dwene ye nyina awreho ato man esum ato man na ye dwene ho no we na ndi sama be se ye waste your time kan wase esa na kwame eyi sa ehumobro ne adwene ye nyina ye dwene nyina afi ho ona ekwa koya amaresem esa koye NPP nya ndi system kwene mbetna he ena ho command se bobo ese ye kasem papa se o se be bi o man aduru akonhye esi ye no ye ne ye ya afa ho na what twem class na konse besi enwomofra be 16 omakonya konse wuyaya and then konse esisi wo mem antini fo mu wo mem ha enti ye nyina no man no da bi aduru e ya bradwene ntiase so e se ne nyina ye nkambum NPP NDC ye kɔ ekotodwe no ye nso mfra awurade sempo bɔne dompa na no me mpo na abɔ man so a enya 3 days of fasting kwa me wa on fasting ye nyina ye nkɔ ye bi na ye mbo ama ɔman no enti nkɔ na nim
Justin Kodua NDC abai 7 months muani anamboa edi ade na esia yenti bi da enome abesen Ghana man no so a ye hia mpaebo bibisaw se enkwana 16 enya nkwanhia mate chopa baako akonya nkwanhia nti enome sensen oman no so ye hia mpaebo mate eni mibisa mo se mo mre so a dynamite ekoto ye ewa apiate ema nipa hundreds of people ibi 90 ibi ensa etwa ye no samre no na eye nyame nhira ene ma saade ne si ya na se na eye no me na eye no me a eno no empaibo ben ena ye boye eno nkoda nchen mu bi edam ema efa volta nipa hwe ye nkwa ye japade ya dan ye mfuo eseye eno nso na eye no me ana se eno nso na de ya bibisawo mu akasa mu MP equal Hayford enya aka nkwanhia wuye eno nso na eye no me ana na bibi na esi ana ye hu bi da ko formre so onya aka nkwanhia ka Gaddafi to ma no odi nya nkwanhia wo ahya ye friends oh opa bia house heya Silver Star Tower nchen ho a traffic light na ehwa na Akuffo nya sa ka nkwanhia no eno nso ye beka ne se na eye no me ena esen Ghana fo so ana se na edien mibisamo how crowded girls under your watch na Akuffo me se Akuffo kasoa yesi ye twa ebi kwate sebi ye twa ebi twani ade we nyina ba media mu eno nso na eye no me ana Ghana hia mpaebo ana se na edien na under your watch no kan kwanhia esi Ghana ha bebrebe no between Accra ne Kumasi eni ade eno so na no me anase na edien ya ye nkasasa the problem is say enkwada bi abetena social media enya atenie bi ana ye di mampani Mahama atem eno no megidi paase NDC ni akiri empomesi we krampo no ka mampani Mahama nko a we ka ya nchi omo nanso system na adwumentia ya hwe ya se mampani Mahama mpotia obeka say let them go home nya omo mampani Mahama emfa sa nyoma we to be anything muntie ni yi mampani Mahama we emfa ne ho to be anything because mampani Mahama ni musesa ankwada ketwa we they are not in any way a threat to him, to his presidency, to his leadership, and that's a fact. And so for the mere fact they say omunya akokodru ebetina social media accusing you the NPP say money omu ena eya adwenkro ena chopa no call see san kwanhia no enti just by uttering these words no and more NPP who emma just sabio mu yemu nhye say enkwada bi abetina social media mentioning your name just say ye NPP communicators ye plot say sabio ebeku mampani Mahama na ye ka ho na we die ya messe na next time no ye messe ebeku Mahama ahyebutom etwa ne yiriti they mentioned you the NPP mu yemu nhye ho and you rather come out say as a party yet here 1-2 press conference after marking Justin Kodua near to form press conference say as a party in kawe so what you know how to do best press conference beba bonte abe press conference rebuking those kids and distancing yourself you are rather coming to fight for them. Say I omunye boni bienti no yenya omo na ba bia Ghana man no abedru ehe na edro a momre so enu Justin Kodua ehe fa ena Ghana man no edru a momre so enu eya amena ketia phase 2 ayensie akwan ayanye so ame interchange ayanye crowfro market ayanye takrade interchange yanye sagarami ya ye janu mani say ye e dia na si 7 months ya mombre so ebiansi. You see, me ka kire mo se mo da na se mo sorry a fa so otiri mo say your biggest enemy as a nation is NPP. Trust me, believe you me. Me ka kire mo se wo da now sorry a ti ase fa so otiri mo say your biggest enemy is NPP. Sa party no eno nti na Ghana enkoso. Me ka we ya me more dam. Make us say so enjina me no menim ni America. Your biggest enemy is NPP. Ye promo a empema ya NPP. Dirty politics. Partisan politics. Enkwasi amanyo sem boye mu nhemo. So ampa say NDC na nkofo bi bet na social media kire say enkwanhia biasi. This is a national disaster. Enkwanhia biasi. Ti na sankwanhia no NDC ni mhubi na ye ne NDC mpanifo na e plan ya ka enni 24 hours NDC be kasa are distancing themselves yenye amanosem sa na so modie insesenka mo ba bontin mo be distance mo ho no ba rather mo defend omo a e kire se omo ne mo e na e ya adwe cross yen Cràsh Mahama na yenku no. What a party. All this for power. All this in the name of politics. It yenku a whole family. Just like that. Na Abia say yeku Mahama mpoa. Automatically no yebetam Ghana konya. Edi ama Bawumia. Ana ase dien. Amano se mo ayeye. Da chinchirima o. Amano sem a ye nti yenku Mahama mampani mu a mampani a 57% of the people a mo na mo siese mu buo edi tumi ahye ne nsa yenku no entwa ne yiriti enfa ne nhye botom enkwadan ketua bi abetena social media aka asem we involving you the NPP kire say omo ne mu na e plan ye mo plan no na won wo hobi na ene mpanimfo party mu mpanimfo sore ya understand ye ho but rather no sansem na nkwada ne kan aye no ye defend nkra ne say ai nkra no nyabode bia enti no ye nyai omo. I'll leave it here for discerning Ghanaians, conscious Ghanaians, non-partisan Ghanaians, non-tribal Ghanaians who want the betterment of this nation. And the Lord who watches over this nation to be the judge. Nyamia na omane buama esobo no. Nyamia na mutala Muhammad esomo no. Nyamia omo a yewu ye nyina asomo no. Me jai sa asebu ma no. Say let them be the judge. Now I know for sure say NDC will surely get to the root of this issue. I know for sure. C'est as simple as that. C'est as simple as that. C'est as simple as that. Yebusiafo, me de mubisi asenya mu nyina mu nim bidin ye the chairman free might enjoy the rest of your time and I'll see you in my next video. Makram.
Medasi so come na yapo edibra ejejumedi se POG de eba no Ghana authentic political updates at POG Media so and also so betimi aka na wo de eko ene de eba na make sure so subscribe to la over your subscription na wa share no for so ensa so etimi aka na mzo hu de eko na person between komo and answer what share wa so betimi so apo e the rather comment section or na so wedi komo na POG Media brand e beba na yes ya baba ma hu eyimo medasi so jebre e ma POG. Message up.